What does the red heart mean on Snapchat? Subsequent to your contacts identify. Why? As a result of it means rather a lot, and on this article, we're going to speak about that. You'll know what's the crimson coronary heart on Snapchat. Snapchat rewards customers. As a result of it motivates customers to spend extra time on the platform. So if you recognize what does a crimson coronary heart means on Snapchat, you're not gonna discuss to the contacts like earlier than anymore. A purple coronary heart is an achievement by itself as a result of not many individuals get to see a heart subsequent to their buddies identify. A purple coronary heart emoji means you and the contact share a standard order collectively. What's the purple coronary heart on Snapchat? Analysis reveals that purple color has a number of meanings, similar to energy, ardor, love, hazard, and want. The color purple on it means robust and highly effective feelings, so this color is extra intense than different sizzling colors like yellow and even orange. That's the reason folks purchase purple roses for his or her family members. As a result of it means intensified love for them. Likewise, crimson coronary heart in your contact listing means practically. In case your relationship together with your contact is shut sufficient to get a purple coronary heart, you two have been primary finest associates for the previous 2 weeks. So now you recognize what does the crimson coronary heart means on Snapchat. The purple coronary heart means you two dispatched probably the most snaps each day for 2 weeks straight. What does the purple coronary heart imply on Snapchat? To get the purple coronary heart, you retain sending them snaps. Be sure that they ship you snaps, too, for 2 weeks straight each day. Should you hold the streak for 2 weeks, you're going to look at their listing with a purple coronary heart as they do. Nonetheless, in the event you hold the streak for 2 months, this purple coronary heart turns into the yellow coronary heart or little pink hearts. It's only a matter of time. Pink hearts imply your friendship is far more critical than the purple coronary heart. A Quora consumer mentioned 2 finest associates who hold the snap streak for 2 months in a row would get 2 pink hearts, which is extra profound than crimson coronary heart. All of the emojis are the rewards Snapchat offers to the customers for snapping at one another. Make the friendship deeper by getting pink hearts. By the best way, it's not really easy to get pink hearts. As a result of it is advisable hold these snap streaks for 2 months, however getting purple coronary heart emoji is extra cheap. Don't cease there. You proceed this friendship. Don't let the streak cease. Crimson coronary heart emojis are only the start. The mission isn't achieved till you get to the pink hearts. These are the options which have separated Snapchat from different social media. For instance, in WhatsApp, regardless of how a lot you chat with any individual or what number of purple hearts they ship you, it doesn't let you know the place you're in your friendship. However, Snapchat tells you precisely how shut you and your contacts are to one another. Snapchat makes it like a recreation. For every stage you get rewards, so get motivated to be in contact with your pals extra or Snapchat me chatting extra thrilling. I want WhatsApp see this. I hope you discover many crimson coronary heart emojis in your contact listing. As a result of it means you get pleasure from chatting with your pals. Life is about having enjoyable with associates and dwelling a very good life. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe. Don't forget to share.